Morning, my dear students. Today we are going to be learning the first PUC of an introductory part. So as I am a biology lecturer delivering you the biology. So first of all, already you will be knowing about the definition of the biology. That is a Greek word, bio and logos. Bio and logos are the two Greek words which combine together form into a word called as a biology. And bio is nothing but living. Logos is nothing but study. So study of living being. So it is technically defined as biology is the branch of a science which deals with the study of living beings. In your school days you have been studied that biology is nothing but the branch of a science which deals with the study of a plant and animals. It means you do not study bacteria, you do not study fungi, you do not study algae, then where they belong into? So they are considered to be as living. This is the extended part what I am telling you. So this biology, for as you have been selected science as a stream for your life career, it consists of 5 units. Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4 and Unit 5. The name of the Unit 1 is Diversity in the Living World. Diversity means distribution of a living organism on the earth. So different living organisms are distributed in a different region of the earth, and they are very essential for life of human being. In one or the other way they were going to be helping, either producing the food or producing the oxygen or helpful for bringing up the rain or holding the soil in any matter. So what you are going to be learning under this diversity in the living world. The living world is nothing but it is not restricted only to the plants and animals. So living world consists of prokaryotic cell to eukaryote. Prokaryotes are like a bacteria, non-living as well as a living like a viruses. Multicellular organism, it may be of plant, it may be of animal, or it may be of fungi, it may be of algae, anything. So we are going to be considered under this living world itself. Whereas in the second unit, so unit 2, say it was a structural organization in plants and animals. When you learn the living world, in the living world, you are specifically studying plants and animals. Why you particularly study plants and animals? Because we are animals. For our survival, we need plant because plants are the producer. They are producing the food. Either it may be rice, it may be dal, it may be anything. It is not going to be producing any other that. It is going to be producing the food. Not only the food, it also produces air, which containing a vital thing responsible for respiration. That is called as oxygen. Without oxygen, we cannot survive. So, plants we are going to study, the plant as well as the animal. Why? Because for survival of animal, plant is essential. So, it is a structure. Structure means the body structure, the organ structure, what is it made up of, how it works, what tissues are present, what is its function, that you will learn structure. So, structural organized, they are organized. Say for example, cardiac muscles are organized in the heart only, right? Squamous epithelial tissues are present in the lungs. That is cuboidal epithelial tissue in the alveoli of the lungs, right? So they are organized. So like rods and cones are present only in the eyes. They are not available in the ears or they are not available in the kidney. In the kidney, nephrons are present. Nephrons will not be present in the brain. In the brain, neurons are present. So neurons are present in the brain, nephrons are present in the kidney, cardiac muscles are present. Organized. So organization of a structure in the plant and animals. So we are going to be learning that under detail here. Type of a tissue, types different. Then under the third unit stated to be as a cell. It is a structure and function. Any cell, it may be prokaryotic cell or eukaryotic cell. That cell. Then second, plant cell and animal cell. See how beautifully we are going to be learning one by one. upgrading your knowledge from school level to the medical level or engineer level or a doctor level, like that. So cell, you know very well, definition of a cell, everyone will say that as the unit of structural and functional of living organism, or it is a structural and functional unit of living organism. Yes, so that cell, how many type of cells are there? Two, which are prokaryote, eukaryote. Prokaryotic examples are all bacteria, kingdom Monera you say. Then eukaryote, after the kingdom Monera, like a protista, fungi, plantae, animalia, four kingdoms. They all are made up of the eukaryote cell. If they are prokaryote and eukaryote, whether it is unicellular or multicellular, like that, whether it is a plant cell or animal cell, that you are going to be. In that, you are going to be learning the cell membranes, like a plasma membrane, cell wall. Then cell organelles, like a nucleus, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, plasmid, nucleus, like that. These are all the cell organelles, whatever are available under this cell. And their function, what they do. You know very well that if we will ask you who is the protein factory of the cell, everyone will say ribosome. Who is the power of the cell? Said to be as a mitochondria. Everybody can say it. Yes, sir. So in that way, what is the function of the Golgi complex? We cannot say. What is the function of the endoplasmic reticulum? We cannot say. What is the function of the nucleus? Do you know? What is the function of the nucleus which contains the chromosome? Do you know? That chromosome contains the gene. Do you know? What gene performs the function? That you have to go for study the molecular level till PUC 2, second PUC. Then fourth unit is plant physiology. In plant physiology, about all the things of the plant are like roots, stem, leaf, fruits, flowers. What are the tissues are present in the roots? What is its function? Like parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma, xylem, phloem. What are their functions? What is their structure? In which plant they are? In which plant they do not? Then you are going to be learning plant physiology. How water is going to the leaves through the help of the xylem. Who is going to be sucking there? Either root is pushing it or the leaves is sucking it. We don't know. You are going to be learning on this. And it is going to be going through the help of the pipe like a xylem. As you are going to be sucking the juice from the bottle through the help of the straw, you are sucking. Understand? So that is about the plant physiology. And for this, all the minerals and the nutrients are required, like sodium, magnesium, calcium, potassium, like that. Around 11 different nutrients. Molybdenum, that is the mineral nutrition. Hormones, growth hormones. Then how respiration will take place. During that glycolysis, Krebs cycle, terminal oxidation, you are going to be learning under this plant physiology. Then animal physiology is the fifth unit. Under this animal physiology, we are going to be learning only about the human being. What human being? Digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system, nervous system, locomotory system. These different systems you are going to be learning. What happens when you will keep in the mouth? The food is started to masticate, saliva mixes. That all the procedure you are going to be learning under this animal physiology. Like that, 5 units. Now the students may be thinking, yes, I know very well that out of 160 students under this first PUC, many of the students are non-English medium and many of the students are English medium and even many of the students are CBSE. The students who are from the CBSE and students who are from the English medium, they have been understand whatever I have been saying. But the students from the Kannada medium, at least 50% of them who are good in English, they can understand. Who are not good in English, they did not understand. So for sake of them, we have to tell it in Kannada. So this is the problem. I am not discriminating the students. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಬರೀ ಕನ್ನಡದಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳೋದಲ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ಯಾವ ವರ್ಡ್ ಡೈವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಡಿಕ್ಷನರಿ ತೆಗಿ ನೋಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಏನದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅವಾಗ ನನಗೆ. ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ತೆಗಿ ಡಿಕ್ಷನರಿ, ತೆಗಿ ನೋಡು ಬರ್ಕ ಅದನ್ನ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ, ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ, ಈವನ್ ಟು ದ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ದ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಶಬ್ದದ ಅರ್ಥ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಆ ಶಬ್ದದ ಅರ್ಥವನ್ನ ಡಿಕ್ಷನರಿ ತೆಗೆದು ನೋಡಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸರಿ, ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡದಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ನೀವು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ದಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಕನ್ನಡದಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ದಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾಳೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ದಾಗ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ನೀಟ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ದಾಗ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗಲಿಂದ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ನನಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ನಾನೇನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೆಯಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಬರೀತಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಯು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಟು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಇಟ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಮೆನಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡ್ರೀಮಿಂಗ್, ಏನಪ್ಪ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೂ ಮಾಡೀನಿ, ಈಗ 5 ಈಗಲೇ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಫಂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಅದ 5 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಇದಾವೆ, 5 ಯೂನಿಟ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನಗೆ 1 ವರ್ಷ ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತದೆ? If you study only this unit, your result will pass. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ರು ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಓದಿದೆ, 5 ಪಾಠ ಅದಾವ, 5 ಪಾಠ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಪಾಸ್. ಇದನ್ನು 5 ಪಾಠ ಅದಾವ, ಓದಿದಿ ಪಾಸ್. 22 marks, 22 marks, 17 marks, 17 marks, 17 marks. 17 plus 17, 34 marks. You will going to become pass. 28 marks ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ PUC ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಅದೇ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 3 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ನೀವು ಓದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ your marks will be 50 out of 70. So how easy it is to pass. ಬಹಳ ಸರಳದ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Whereas for NEET examination, remember many of the students are made science because I want to be an engineer, I want to be a doctor, I want to be a agriculturist. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಅದ ರೀ, ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರೇ ಆಗೋಣ, ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರೇ ಆಗೋಳು ಅಂತ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರ. ಮತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ದೆಮ್, ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮ ಪಡಬೇಕು. ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಲಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಬಿಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಿಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ಯಾರು ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ತಲೆದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಒಂದೇದು ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಏನೂ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಾ? ನಾವು ಕಲಿಸ್ತೇವೆ, ನೀವು ಕಲಿತೀರಿ, ಅದು ತಲೆದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲಿಸನ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು, ಫಾಲೋ ದಟ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್. ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ 3 ಯೂನಿಟ್, ಬರೀ 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಓದಿದಿ, ಇದು 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಓದಿದಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಇದು 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಓದಿದಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಿ. ಈ 2 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಓದಿದಿ 40 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಈ 2 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಓದಿದಿ 40 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ಈ 2 ಯೂನಿಟ್ 40, ಈ 2 50 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, all 70 marks. In a NEET ಗೆ word by word of NCERT textbook to be studied. So here, like this, diversity in the living world, structural organization in plants and animals, cell structure and function, plant physiology, animal physiology, like that, the different aspects are. Right? In the forthcoming class, we are going to study about this chapter, cell, its structure and function. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಲ್ಲನೇ ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಪ್ರೋಕ್ಯಾರಿಯಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಯೂಕ್ಯಾರಿಯಟ್, ಅದು ಅಮೀಬಾ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಎನಿಮಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸೆಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಲಿತೀವಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಕಲಿಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ತಳಪಾಯ ಇದು ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೆಲ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನೇನಿದಾವೆ, we will begin it into the next clip. Okay, I hope you have been understand this, right? If you have any difficulties under this, kindly put a message to my number, right? Thank you and all.